in China. Good evening to those who are in the US. I'm very honored to be able to address you across the ocean. I am going to speak about the ends of Global Shakespeare as a genre and a field of study. In my new book, Contemporary Readings in Global Performances of Shakespeare, we present Anglophone, British, and Canadian performance histories as integral parts of Global Shakespeare. There is a bias that privileges only regions that are commonly imagined to represent the global. To correct this bias, my new book puts Anglophone Shakespeare on equal footing with non-Anglophone performances in order to deconstruct the tendency of national profiling